Hey y'all, it's Christina. Alright, so the package from Amazon came a couple of days earlier than what I thought it was going to be. I thought it was supposed to be here Friday, but it came today. About what time is it now? I can check on my old phone. By the way, I did get a new phone, so it came almost 3 hours ago. Almost 3 hours ago. So, yeah. Alright, so which would be this package. So I think what I'm gonna do is real quickly show you like a little hack, I guess, that I've learned. But before that, I got this is my new phone. I backed up my old phone, which is this one. I would have to get a new phone case because this was a bit iffy. It was just part of. Now I just wanted a case like right then so I can be able to carry the cards that were in this one. They let me keep this one. Alright, so that hack I mentioned, which that reminds me before I say anything else. Alright, just so you know what type of phone I have. It's an A10E. The other one's like an A6, I think. Alright, so, the hack I wanted to show you is it involves Advil liquid gels. Specifically, Advil liquid gels. Alright, so doesn't matter what count you get, it's going to work just as fine. All you need is just one, hopefully. Because one usually helps me. Alright, so basically I already have everything that I need right here at me. Alright, so let's see. You need a thumbtack. Doesn't matter what color, as long as you're able to poke a hole at that. That's what I'm going to show you. Alright, so. Oh, this is for toothaches. Cause I was thinking, ooh, that would be perfect for you, because I had, like, a real bad toothache right here, right at the gums. So, basically, what you do is take the thumbtack. Alright, so, and then you stick it at the end. I'm just, like, trying to, like, really push it in. There you go, it's in. Right there. I have a Q-tip because it's easier for me. I blacked out my address, so yeah. Alright, so and then you, if you want, you can just immediately apply it. But I prefer using a Q-tip. Alright, so I don't know why it looks like it's used, but it's not, I promise. Alright, so you just put some right on the Q-tip itself. You just squeeze it out. Alright, I have tissues behind me if need be. Alright, so you just basically do this. I was going to do right here, but I have like a little bit of iffiness right there. But I'm going to go ahead and show you. Alright, so, warning, I have a missing tooth, so. Alright, so I just apply it like, right here. I got it on that tooth. Just like really get it up in there. Using the same end. Just basically like rub it right up on the gum. And that should actually help numb it as well. It's also pain relief. So yeah, it's pain relief. It's a pain reliever. And if it feels like it has like a little bit of a fever to it, then good. Because it's also a pain reliever and a fever reducer. And for me, what's left, I just go and take. Mainly because I don't want to waste it, you know? Alright, so The next thing is, I want to go ahead and like show y'all that little hack that I found on Facebook. I'm not sure how long ago, but it's been over a year now. Alright, so the next thing I want to show y'all is this package I got in this morning. I was still asleep when it came. Alright, I went ahead and opened it so it'd be easier for me to open it. And I like reach in and go ahead and just like right off the bat start it. Alright, I better go and throw this away. I got like a little bag over here. I can just throw away stuff in. Oh, excuse me. Alright, so here, let me go ahead and go ahead and just fix this up. Alright, so next, the first thing out of the package is this, which this is for this, my little battery pack charger, which it says right there it's for the Anker battery pack. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Yeah, there's a little tag in there that says made in China. I'm not worried. Should be safe, I think. Alright, yeah, that's just like part of the casing. Alright, so I'm going to put this cord. This cord not only goes to the phone that I'm using to video, it also can go, I found out that it can also go on this too, because it's easy. I can easily insert it. Yeah, try to get it right. Just right. See? Actually, yeah, that looks right about it. See? It can fit perfectly. Then it starts to charge immediately. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put this. I had, the phone I'm using now, charging. Alright, so next one I'm gonna have up. I should probably really like try to like make sure it's not all tangled, but oh well. To make sure it's also not all scratched up, I'm leaving it in the little baggie right here. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and slide that in, and it should close up perfectly, I hope. Alright, see? Fits just right. A little bit of like dropping a little bit. Alright, so the next thing I am going to go, I will be using it like that now. So in the event, like, if I were to have a seizure again, and I happen to have the charger in my hand, and I drop it, or like I have that in my hand, and I start to have a seizure, and I let go, hopefully it won't bust. Alright, so the next thing is, I also gotta make sure my hair is all perfect. Well, not perfect, just like swept away. Alright, so the next thing is I got a different shade of that concealer that I did in another video. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is, first I'm going to show you the concealer, which is this one. And the shade for this one is Light 120. I don't know how to properly read it, so yeah. It's like right now I'm still kind of new to makeup, so I'm going to like try out different things. First thing I'm going to do is clean my face. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and use one of these. I have another pack floating around here somewhere if I need it. You have the mirror that I got from Walmart right here off to the side. Lord knows I need to do my face, so that's why I went ahead and do it. That's why I went ahead and decided going to clean my face now. Alright, so make sure that's closed. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and it says like that Age Rewind. I'm using it as a concealer. Because I like got that stuff down here in case if I have like, it's like right now my face is red. It means I'm like burning up or something. I don't know. My mom thinks it's a sign of my blood pressure going up, but it's not. Alright, so there we go. Alright, so you see I'm opening this one up. Alright, so this one is sand. Alright, so that I won't do not want. Okay, I guess I'm gonna use my shirt for this. Lefty loosey. Oh, I'm a dummy. Completely forgot. I can't immediately open it out of the pack. That's why I was struggling with it. Alright, so now, there we go. And there we go, got the top off. Finally. Okay, where did I put my sponge at? Alright, so, got this. Like I said, brand new thing. Now it's starting to come to the surface. Alright, so maybe a little bit more. Alright, so yeah, you could like really obviously tell it's different. Again, I'm using the mirror right off to the side here, which I probably need to clean. I like use Windex on it. Alright, so which of course this is clean, or was before I started using it just then. This was clean because I washed it before after the last time I used it. If I'm like applying this wrong, please let me know down there in the comments. I'll probably even like use a link, pop a link to the charger in the case and the makeup if you want. I probably will like pop in a link for the charger and whatnot. I don't know for sure, but if you want, I can like add the link down there in the comments if you ask for it for everything I'm using today. Except I'm not sure if Amazon has the Advil, but I'm not even sure if they have like these little beauty blenders. I got the beauty blender itself at Food Line. Alright, so I don't look as pale as when I applied it. The other one, I don't look as pale. So, just like make sure I really am like trying to like not have my back shown as much. When I get the Try It package, when I get the package from Try It in mail, it's coming in mail today, thankfully. So I'm going to do another video with that at a later time. I just like want to go ahead and like real quickly do this video while I have a chance. Probably need to go a bit darker. This was like the I skipped one shade in between these two shades. So I went with the next darkest, I guess. So I mean, it does look like I am wearing makeup. Oh, it's like glorious right there. I really need to blend that out. It's like more obvious than over here. Probably need to dab a little bit over here. Alright, I guess like sort of show you like how it does. You can see I have Sharpie right there. So probably dab a little bit on there. This is just like see how it like really conceals. It looks like it's going more onto the it's going more into the blender itself, so I'm definitely going to be washing this afterwards. Alrighty. I have another one floating around here somewhere. Alrighty. So, trying to like see if there's anywhere else I need to like hide stuff. Like on camera, you can like really see that I center like around here, like right around here. Yeah, I still look kind of pale up here because I didn't apply much up here. So I'm probably going to try to apply some up there. It would literally go straight across. Alright. I'm also using the chair that my brother helped me put together. Well, that he put together in the last video. I think it was the last video. I'm not entirely sure. Reason why my hair is sticking like that is because I need to go ahead and wash my hair. Typically, my brother would come back with a witty remark or something like, yeah. Alright, you see, I got a little bit down here. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Think I'm adding too much. Also, I just ate too. Had Rice Krispies for breakfast. Probably not the best breakfast choice, but it was the first thing I could get my hands on. That's probably an eyelash. Something I'm not quite sure. Dab on that. Yeah, I know I'm also doing my eyebrows too with it. I'll wash them before I make sure to use my makeup wipes over here before I and take off the makeup before I use what I'm expecting from trying it today. Because I got zit up in here somewhere. I can feel it as I rub right around in here. Alright. But that Advil really does work. I'm kind of glad I came across it a few years ago. on Facebook. I was thinking it could have been really useful whenever I have a toothache. Then my friend reminded me of it because I mentioned I had a real bad toothache that hadn't gone away yet. And he reminded me of it. And I knew I had a thumbtack, Q-tips, and Advil floating around the house. So I went ahead and done that, and ooh, chile. It worked like a charm. I've tried Orjo. Nope, didn't work. Alright, so probably that sounds like my brother coughing. He's alright. Alright, so I think that's going to be about it for this video. Other than maybe I'm mentioning about my seizure I had a couple of Wednesdays ago on the 27th of March. I don't remember. I mean, I remember, not feeling well at all that day. My stomach was upset. I had messaged my mom saying that my tummy's upset or something like that, and then next thing I know, paramedics are right there at me, and I guess helped me get up, and I guess I went back crawling in my bed. Hour and a half later, I was still all over. I was still throwing up. So I said, call them back. And, they were able to get the puking under control, which is a good thing, I think. And I was able to stop throwing up. I was in the ER for, I think, 5 hours. Went about 9:30. Didn't get back home until about 2:30, 2:45. So yeah, and I was able to get some sleep after that. I think I was probably asleep for about 8 hours, 8 or 10 hours after, and then I got up and started moving around. I was like, oh, I'm hurting, because my shoulders were hurting because I was hunched over the bucket as much as I was, and I just was not feeling good at all. My jaws were hurting. My knees were hurting because I landed like forward off of where I was at. The chair was on, and I was just not feeling good at all for a few days after. So I'm feeling better now. It's just I'm still trying to take it easy. I'm still a little bit dizzy. I still hurt a little bit. So yeah, I'm alright now. My neurologist bumped up my medicine. So she bumped up my seizure medicine. So now I'm taking a little bit more every day. And I've already picked up all my medicine for the month. I wanted to go ahead and make sure I had that done. If I have migraines during any time of the month, I know I will have enough of my migraines. And she also prescribed me something for migraines long before this last seizure. And, which I have that. Went and picked that up. And that helps quite a great deal. If I take it at the first sign of the migraine, I'm good. If I take it if I don't take it at the first sign, I'll still take it, but it won't last. The migraine won't last as long. Probably need to get someone to give me refills for that nausea medicine I was given. So yeah, I think that's going to be about it for this video. The next video, that I will do will probably be a try it package. I'm not sure. And like I said, I'm not sure. I have like one more thing from try it. I'm not entirely sure. So yeah, that's gonna be about it for this video. Bye, y'all. Oh, I think what triggered this seizure was I was drinking far too much of this. Far too much. Yeah, I was drinking far too much sugary stuff, so be right back. Alright, so I think it was like I was drinking far too much soda. I had already gone through maybe 3 12-packs of this by the time I had that seizure. Yeah, 3 12-packs. That's 36 cans of soda right there. I was going one after the other. Yeah, I think I had like at least 3 12-packs of this particular soda. That's a lot of sugar, and like within a span of 2-3 days. I love soda too much, and so now I'm gonna try to have to take it easy. I got the results of the blood work back from when they drew blood on me in the ER, and yeah, I'm thinking I'm probably going to be put on metformin. I don't know. I will know the next time I go to see my primary care physician. Alright, so that's about it for this video. Bye, y'all.